Chaoshan beef hotpots has 100 years history, which is from the east part of Guangdong Province in China. Beef in Chinese is 牛肉. Compared with other hotpots, beef hotpots emphasizes the freshness of beef. You will see the beef are cut in store by hand in the showroom with freshly arrived beef, which is never aged or frozen, to preserve its exquisite flavor. The soup broth is prepared by cooking fresh bone for over 10 hours to extract all its nutrients and taste. This time we ordered the signature broth, rehmanniae broth. We will tell you later why we choose this. When you get the menu, select the broth first, and then the beef. In each of the beef hotpot restaurants, you will see a picture of beef cuts, which tells you how long you should dip for different parts. No worry if you're confused, you can ask waiters to dip for you. Before the ingredients are served, we usually go to select our favorite sauces. Satay is a must-have, and you can also match it with garlic chops, soy sauce, coriander. It all depends on you. But what's the right way of eating the ingredients? We're going to show you now. The right way of eating beef hotpot is to first get some celery chops, and then add some broth. The fragrance of the celery will be blended with the broth, and then have a taste of this. Next, dipping the meat. We usually put a lot into the big spoon. The right way of cooking beef hotpot is to dip it like this. You should not cook it for too long, just about 10 seconds. Now eat with the sauce. Really chewy. We put veggies in the end because it can soak the broth fully.
Well, I studied how to cook beef from a chef, and he told me that you cannot rinse beef too much because the beef blood tastes very sweet. If you rinse too much, the beef will lose its natural flavor. You see this? This black drink served in the bottle. This is the homemade drink in almost every family in Chaoshan, and I know how to make it at home. The basic ingredient is black beans and also prepared rehmanniae root. It tastes like a perfect blend of bitter and sweet. You can try it.
Quite sweet.
And a little bit bitter. Can you taste that?
A little bit, yes. You know what? When I'm drinking this, I feel less spicy because I put too much chilies in my sauce. The spicy flavor just reduces when I drink it.
You see, this is beef tendon. If you cook it for a relatively long time, this part, the tendon part, will become kind of crispy. This is fresh beef ball, and now I'm gonna cook it.
How long should we cook it?
10 minutes. Look at the color.
Very chewy and quite bouncy.
Do you know how the beef ball is made? We have special workers to make this kind of beef balls. First, the beef should be transported from local markets in the morning and are cut just before served to table. So the beef is very fresh. The special workers hold two, not chopsticks, they hold two wooden sticks and hit the meat, well, the beef, for about 2 hours, sometimes even longer. While they are heating, they clean the beef. Clear away all the tendons, so the ball will become chewy and bouncy. Sometimes they hold iron sticks, but they give up the sticks because when they are heating the beef, it becomes too hot. The meat is even cooked by heating.
Oh, really?
Yep, so they later change to wooden sticks again, so that's all about the process.
Is bitter melon really bitter? Not really.
Actually, the bitter melon is not always bitter. If you cook it in the right way, it will taste a little bit sweet.
After we have been eating for 2 hours, we still couldn't feel enough about Chaoshan hotpot. Actually, beef hotpot shows Chaoshan people's wisdom in utilizing ingredients to the fullest. That is why it becomes one of the top hotpots in China. Hope you like it. See you next time. We are Lucky and Richie. Bye.